Hey, it's Todd with TLF Works, and today we're going to be opening up the Elegoo Mars 3 Resin Printer. Hope you stick around. Alright, just picked up the Mars 3 Resin 3D printer from Elegoo. We're going to open this thing up. Here we go. Okay, the Mars 3 is printing right now, I hope. So we'll see how that goes. The unboxing and setup of this was very simple. Leveling the bed's the most difficult part of it, and that's straightforward. The product seems to be well made. I know there's a lot of plastic in it, but there's a lot of metal components in it as well. It looks like it's a solid piece of equipment, so I'm definitely happy to have it in the back of my shop right now. I'm hoping it's not too cold out here. I mean, it was 81 degrees Fahrenheit here in the Dallas, Texas area today, but my garage stays a little cooler than that, and it was cool last night. So we'll see. But I'll throw some pictures up at the end of the video here of hopefully a couple of rooks from the test print. And I appreciate you watching. I thank you very much. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment telling me about the things that that you print and that you would like to see printed. So I'm going to do a lot of pen blanks and turning related items initially. So we'll see how it all goes. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.